Hi and happy holidays. I just wanted to update everyone on our holiday schedule and just leave everybody with a few important things. We are going to be closed Christmas Eve day and we'll be reopening next week on December 28th. And I just wanted to wish everyone a safe and happy holiday and just take a brief moment just to say, if you get a chance over the holidays, please try to check in on friends and family, especially people that live alone. A lot of us, well, really all of us, this has taken a toll on everyone with all the quarantining and the pandemic and everything. And people just having to stay at home and not get out. Older people in particular have been affected by this more so, and a lot of people are staying at home instead of getting together with friends and family this season. So if you get a chance, reach out to your parents, even if you haven't talked to them in a long time. Just make sure they're doing okay and say hi. I think it's important this year more than any, just with everything that we're all going through. A lot of people are feeling alone, and the holidays are tough for some people anyway. Um, if that's not an option, if you get a chance, reach out to old friends you haven't seen. I think we're all doing, coming from a tech company, this may seem ironic, but we're all so used to a high speed, fast paced world that everything is text messages and emails. But when you're stuck at home all day and you're not seeing the people you're used to seeing, if you're able to reach out over video chat, whether that's Facebook Messenger, Zoom, Google Duo or Google Meet, putting a face with a person instead of just a conversation, a text message, or an email, I think can make a world of difference. We don't have to socially distance. When you're on video, you can see people's faces, see how they're doing, and I think it just helps. Also, it's a good time to reach out and catch up with old friends. So if you get a chance this holiday, reach out to your parents, reach out to old friends, just say hi and make sure everybody's doing okay. We're kind of all in this together. And until the vaccine is all done and all administered, I think it's important for us to take care of each other. With that being said, I just wanted to wish everybody a happy holiday and hope everybody stays safe. Um, and just let you know that starting next week, if you did get any new computers, laptops, tech devices, wireless routers, cameras, anything IT, we're here to help. If you're trying to set it up on your own, please make sure you change the default password. That's how most people's homes are hacked into nowadays, is through Internet of Things devices, cameras, routers, smart fridges. Anything you get typically will come with a default password. Some of that has been changed in recent years. But if you're not sure and you want us to come out and make sure your laptop is completely updated, or your wireless camera, or help set you up a wireless network, or anything else that you might need help with, we're here to help. So everybody stay safe, wear a mask, and have a good holiday. And we'll be open next Monday.